Sup guys, welcome back to another video. Again, this will be a special video. Today we are gonna be showcasing my dominators. Like the tiv1 dominators, tiv2 dominator. Is that even a tiv2 dominator? Whatever. Who cares? We're gonna fix that a little bit down right there. Okay. Before we showcase our DOMs, tiv2 dominators, tiv2 dominator, tiv2 interceptor, tiv2 interceptor. Okay. This was my first version, the testing version. This one is boring, not gonna lie. But the knives do work, so it can get pinned to the ground. But the knives also have technical difficulties. And we also have, what's the version 2? Oh come on, what's the version 2? Where's the version 2? This is the version 2, guys. This is the version 2. I just forgot. The interceptor does not look like this, but I just added it for stabilizing. But now we're gonna delete that. Whew, it does work, guys. Watch this. Wait. Okay. You can. Whoa. Can go backwards. Oh, maybe not. Now we're talking, boys. And it can also go forward. By what I mean is what I mean. Oh yeah, we're going forward. And we also have a version 3. I just forgot where it is, but it's in my saves. Okay, guys. Oh, it's this. Oh, just the tiv upgrade in tiv2. It was supposed to be saying tiv upgrade integrating interceptor version 2. Come here. This is what it would look like. Oh yeah, you see that? It can also do this. What's this? I just added that for design, but it's not. It's supposed to be there. I just added that. I'm creative. What did I do? Here is the second version of the tiv upgrade Vin20 trying. Time for the next one. The V2 to 4. Oh. Where is it? Oh, there. It's here. What's this? Okay, what else has spawned? Oh, that has spawned. Wait. Just wait. Trust the process. What are we doing here? We do have to erase this. That's not part. And I'll showcase some others too. For now, this will be it. Let me save it. Okay. Save. Okay, that should be untitled. Untitled. Okay. Now gonna erase that. And where's the other ones? I did something. I built a vehicle for assisting, and it kinda works. It's nice. This is version 2, and where's version 1? This is version 1. It looks exactly the same. Oh wait, this is version 1 right here, right here, right here. This is version 2, boys. Added a radar and lights, and it can go backward, also forward. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Okay, we got up some speed. Okay, we zoom in, boys. This is version 1 without a radar, and it can also pinpoint, but with some technical difficulties. Okay. It's decent, guys. It's decent. Oh man, bro, that got kicked. And I also have some other cars. Let me showcase them. The backrooms cars asking for help, and this car, Bob's Delivery 2, that was fixed because the other one was super laggy. And tank version 1. This is pretty nice. I just added this for balancing because didn't really balance. Oh yeah, guess what? It can fire missiles. Oh yeah. We zoom in. Oh, okay. We just landed. Oh yeah, and it can even move. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But you can also erase it for some better aim. But I don't know. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, I think it's burning. Yeah, it is burning. We're gonna have to add some more testing grounds. Okay, that should be it. Come here, Bob's car. Okay, this is Bob's car. Not heavy, guys. Not heavy, and it can even deliver boxes, my boy. Okay, out those boxes. Out. We're gonna delete that. Nah, I'm not talking about deleting them out. For now, we have to add testing ground number 2. Okay. Here is a missile truck. Not recently made. I already made this a couple months ago. Like 1 month early. It can also have an open engine. But the cost is you will have to freeze the top, and you will need a mechanic to mechanic it, Oh no. Then now you gotta tap this. Then now it's fixed. First, wait. It's not only fixed. It's not that type of fix. Okay. Going in. Kaboom! Oh man, that mechanic's dead. I'm so sorry for Mr. Canic. What am I saying right now, bro? And last and final. No, I'm just joking. It's not last and final. Boat car. Oh yeah, you see me rolling. They hating. Fully destructible, guys. Watch this. You just have to delete the wheels first. And then you're gonna take that rocket. You're gonna zoom it. Nah, I'm just kidding. Don't zoom. Don't play with rockets or else you're gonna get burned. Then you have to delete that. Then you gotta get a gun troop up. You got to have a gun, auto rifle. Then you're just gonna fire at it. Like fire at it. Rap. And also, if you want it to be destructible, fully destructible, you're gonna have to take some melons that are strong, very buff. I'm not talking about this melon. You're gonna got to have this melon who's buff. Then you're gonna bang. He broke all the chairs in one hit. Okay, now see rolling. They hate it. Okay, I'm very sorry for you, but it's all part of my service, okay? Okay. This should now be fully destructible. Right? Okay, he's taking air out of it. Yep, it's fully destructible. Up. Say bye-bye. 2. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, whatever. Any cars left? I don't know. This was the Bob's delivered. It was so glitched because of this wheel. This wheel right here. Look at this wheel. See that? Yeah. We're gonna have... Wait, guys, can I showcase my latest creation? The gun sword trooper. Introducing him. He can push his enemies to the ground. Okay. He sank his sword into the wood. But he can sink this knife into the pumpkin. Up. Swim, get up. See? That's why you'll need yourself a gun trooper. How do I get to stop him? And it can also fire. Like, watch this, boy. Watch this. Y'all don't know anything about guns? I'm here to teach you about guns. Watch this, buddy. Bro, why? Okay. What's good? See you later, alligator. Let's gonna be up. Man, you better get a run. You better do what you can. And that is all for today, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. And I'm finally announcing this was a kind of boring video to make. I'm just kidding. I showcased my tips and some other vehicles. Oh wait, guys, you want to see my rocket ship before I end? Okay, let's see my rocket ship. Rocket ship, you better spot. Okay. That is my rocket ship, boys. It can even... Okay. Not gonna lie, this was pretty hard to make, okay? I wish I just knew how to make mods so I can turn this into a mod. No functionality so far. And the wood is getting burned, so yeah, you better go take off. Take off. Take off. Okay, that's it for today. See y'all later. I'm Aiden and I'm out. Peace.